They're lumpy, bruised, misshapen. The kind of produce most people would scroll past on Instagram or leave behind at the grocery store. Yet, these so-called ugly fruits and vegetables might just be the most important thing you're not putting on your plate. Every year, billions of pounds of food are thrown away, not because it's rotten, not because it's unsafe, but simply because it doesn't look perfect. A crooked carrot. A scarred apple. A potato with a few extra lumps. This isn't just wasteful, it's a crisis. A crisis that's quietly fueling hunger, climate change, and economic inequality, all while the uglies hold the potential to transform our food system. Why does this matter? Let's break it down. That oddly shaped tomato. It's just as nutritious, sometimes more so, than its flawless counterpart. In fact, studies show that stressed produce, like fruits and vegetables exposed to harsh conditions, often develop higher levels of antioxidants. These are nature's little survival tools, passed on to you with every bite. So, while you're busy rejecting the blemished apple, you're skipping out on a nutrient-packed powerhouse. But this isn't just about nutrients. It's about flipping the script on what we've been taught to value. For decades, marketing campaigns have conditioned us to chase perfection, creating a market that prioritizes aesthetics over substance. Perfectly polished oranges. Uniform peppers. Yet, behind the glossy image is a system that discards ugly produce before it even reaches the shelves. What's the cost? Let's talk numbers. 40% of all food in the US is wasted. That's enough to feed entire nations, yet it's ending up in landfills, where it rots and releases methane, a greenhouse gas far more potent than CO2. By rejecting the imperfect, we're not just wasting food, we're accelerating climate change. Now, here's where things get wild. The food industry is finally waking up. Subscription services delivering imperfect produce to your door. Chefs creating masterpieces from bruised pears and wonky zucchini. Even Michelin-starred restaurants are getting in on the action, proving that ugly can be delicious. So why aren't more of us following suit? Maybe it's time we rethink what's really worth valuing. That bruised peach you almost hit. It's part of the solution. By choosing it, you're not just saving money, you're making a statement. A statement that says food isn't about perfection, it's about sustenance, flavor, and the power to change the world. Think about the impact of one small choice: the lopsided squash you roast for dinner, the scarred mango you slice into a smoothie. Each one is a vote against waste, a step towards sustainability, and a reminder that beauty has never been the most important thing on your plate.